For over 1,000 years, one stone held the secret to the most coveted blue in art, Lapis Lazuli. From the masterworks of Giotto to the luminous frescoes of Fra Angelico, this rare mineral, mined from the mountains of Afghanistan, became the very definition of celestial beauty. And in the luminous masterpieces of Vermeer, genuine ultramarine blue brought life and radiance to his unforgettable scenes. Today, Natural Pigments revives this ancient wonder, introducing Rublev Colors Lazurite, genuine ultramarine blue oil paint made exclusively from the purest Lapis Lazuli, crafted without modern additives, just as the old masters intended. Witness the brilliance of true ultramarine, a vibrant, semi-transparent glow no synthetic pigment can replicate. Perfect for glazing, rich with history, and luminous beyond compare. This is the blue of the old masters, brought back to life. No other blue captures the depth, purity, and radiance of Lapis Lazuli. This is more than pigment. It's history reborn on your palette. Rublev Colors. Experience painting as the masters intended.